welcome back to my channel, guys. So this video is going to be a beginners friendly video because I'm going to be filming an entire makeup look just using my mobile phone. So if you're someone who just has a mobile phone but wants to start creating amazing content for YouTube, for Instagram, wherever you want to be putting this content on, this is something you can definitely start off with. And I feel like it's one thing to say it and it's one thing to apply it and do it. So that's what I'm going to be doing here. I'm going to be filming using just my mobile phone. So everything starting from the beginning to the end has been recorded using my mobile phone. I'm shooting with the Samsung Note 10 Plus. So yeah, if you have a phone that records in HD, 4K, whatever, definitely start off with that. Don't be in a rush to get there. Build your way and watch yourself grow. So yeah, I wanted this to be very beginners friendly, very basic, but still very raw at the same time. So yeah, let's just get started with this video. If you guys want to just see the quality, what it looks like, what it might look like if you start off with your phone, then definitely need to keep on watching. So now we're filming with our mobile phone, guys. The last time I did this was when I first started off my YouTube channel. I'm going to be using the Black Opal Stick Foundation in the shade Rich Caramel to highlight my face, and I'm using the built-in microphone, so in case it doesn't sound as good as I hope it should, bear with me. Maybe even apply a little bit here and a little bit here. So we're just going to blend this out. I'm going to be using a clean beauty sponge to just blend or buff that underneath. Okay guys, so I'm going to be using the Ellie Pro Girl concealer in the shade Pure Beige. I'm going to be using this to just further brighten up my under eyes. Since we're recording with I don't know what it's going to look like on my mobile phone, but I'm going to be doing something quite risky. Hey. I'm going to be using the Juvia's Place concealer in the shade 19. Look at how that thing just focuses. Just look at this. Look at that. Look at this. As in, this phone focuses way better than my camera, to be honest with you. Like my DSLR. Just look at that. In, back. Can we see how fast that is? What? This is so fast. I'm going to be using this. Now the good thing about it is that this thing has 3 lenses, so I can switch from this lens to this lens, which, you know, still cute, or I can make it even more up close and switch over to this lens. Now this way you guys can see the entire makeup process and hopefully I don't look crazy. I'm going to use just one drop. I feel like I should calm down a bit. Just literally just that much. Just that much. Okay, so to contour my face, I'm going to be using the Juvia's Place Stick Foundation. If you guys want to see the review on this, I'll leave the link right here. I'm going to be using the shade Tunisia. Right. Let me use the other lens so that we can get up close. Perfect. Okay loves, so I went ahead to blend out my face. I want to use the RCMA No Color setting powder, and I always use this to set my face because this thing doesn't have weight. Like, it's literally weightless. In as well. I don't want my face to look too matte. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with the Juvia's Place powder, setting powder in the shade Kalahari or Sahara, sorry, in the shade Sahara. And I'm going to use that just underneath my eyes because I want. Ah! The shade just poured. Also guys, another cool thing about this phone is that you can actually create your own blurry background using the settings in the camera. Let me just show you guys. This is what it looks like now. Let me just increase the intensity of how blurry I want it to be. So I'm not sure if you guys noticed any difference or have noticed any difference on how blurry my background is, but you can definitely play around with the settings with this phone, or you can make it look crazy like this. Let me show you. You can literally blur out your background to look like this, but I feel like it's like a software thing, so it's not as perfect as using your DSLR camera. But for a phone to be doing this at this stage, then there is progress. I'm just going to put it back because it just looks fake, right? Okay, so I'm going to be contouring my face a bit just to chisel it. Okay, so for my brows, I'm going to be using the Hair Guide and Esther brow pomade in a shade. I don't know if I should use Toffee or Nubia, but let me go in with Toffee. You know what, let me zoom you guys in so that you can see this as well. Okay guys, so I just changed the lens so that way you can see what I'm doing. So I'm going to clean it with my foundation. So I'm going to go in with my concealer shade in pure beige to just highlight the arc of my brows. Alright love, so while we are doing the eyes, let me just go in with my P. Louise base. I'm going to be using this as my base. I don't know what look I'm going for, but I think it's going to be something very basic. And I just apply that on my lid, just a little. Going to go in with, this is the Mode Beauty palette. This is the Buka palette. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with this green. This is Envy. Hey guys, so I'm done with my eyes. Let me just zoom out so that we can get out of this frame. I am just going to go ahead to just dust off the excess powder underneath my eyes using the Black Opal powder in the shade medium 400. Let me just use my highlighter, the Juvia's Place Heroin Glow highlighter. This is what it looks like inside. This is like one of my favorites, if not my favorite highlight right now. Can we just see that? Can we look at that glow? Just look at that. Let's go back here. Do the same thing over here. I just spray my face. And to spray my face, I'm using the Nuban Silite spray. This is what it looks like. Okay guys, so this is what my face is looking like right now. Let me just go ahead to line my lips. Okay guys, for my lips, I'm using the Lip Sheer Lip Gloss by Revolution Beauty. Use my Fenty Glow. This is the final look, guys. What do you think? Okay, alright love, so this is the final look, and this is what it looks like just filming on my mobile phone. Again, I'm filming in 4K resolution, so that way you guys get the best quality. If you have a phone, you can definitely start off with that. As long as there's light, you have a phone, you have something to put your phone over, tripod, books, wherever, whatever, just get started with it, have fun with it, and watch yourself grow. So yeah, if you've watched up until now, let me know down in the comment section if you guys liked this type of video. Very raw, very basic, very beginner friendly as well. Let me know down as well if you also like the quality of this camera and this video as well, because I'm still trying and playing around with this. I don't know what it looks like because I'm filming at the moment, but let me know down in the comment section if you guys like this video, or if you want me to be making more content using my phone. Yeah, I'll definitely see you guys in my next video as always, but till then, stay fabulous and stay blessed.